absolutely love the world of social media influencers. I think it's super cool that you could not even know someone. It can be a complete stranger, and whatever they are suggesting to you, and if you feel like they are relatable to you or they're like your best friends, because a lot of the times I watch these influencers and I feel like we're besties even though we have never met. I have so many different influencers that I look to find different kinds of products, fashion, so on and so forth. In the past, I've seen a lot of videos that have said my favorite influencer so and so has made me buy it, and one of my favorite influencers who I'm about to tell you about made a video like that a really long time ago, and I always kept it in the back of my head like I'm gonna do that because this girl seriously makes me buy so many different things, beauty, lifestyle. She is so great. She's funny. She loves a good highlight like I do. She loves Halloween time and Christmas time. We are huge holiday enthusiasts, and that is when I found her channel, is when I was looking for some holiday content to get me in the spirit, and she actually inspired me to start my YouTube channel. From watching all of her videos, I just felt like I make videos anyways. I might as well make my own and share with everybody. Like, there's room for everybody, right? Why not? Just try it. So thank you so much to Lynn Sattler. She is today's influencer that I'm talking about, and she has made me buy a lot of shit. I don't know if you're gonna see this, you might, who knows, but hey girl. All right, so enough chit-chatting, because your girl could just talk and talk and talk, and let's talk about the products that she has made me buy and I absolutely love. I feel like I would not be doing this video justice if I didn't start off with a Lush product. If you have watched any of her videos, you know she's the Lush queen. She knows everything about Lush. I love Lush, but she loves Lush. So when it comes to Lush, I mean, I just pretty much listen to what she says. We like the same stuff overall. We like the same scents overall. I got this Lush bath bomb. It's the geode one, and it looks kind of like amethyst in the middle. She likes crystals. I like crystals. So I just pulled this one out. We have so many different bath bombs here, but this one was like the closest one to what she has recommended. I love the strawberry one she's recommended. I love the comfort. I love the butter bear. I love all the ones that she loves, so the list could go on and on. Another product from Lush that I really love that she's recommended is the lip scrub from there. This has been a game changer for my lips. Before I got into a really good lip routine, oh my gosh, that reminds me of another product. I'm gonna go grab that, 1 second. Okay, so I got it. But the lip scrub is so great because it exfoliates, it hydrates with the oils in this. It smells so good. This one is the mint julep, and it smells like Thin Mints. It smells like Thin Mint cookies on your lips, and you just want to lick it off, and sometimes I do. This one has peppermint oil in it, jojoba oil, castor sugar, vanilla extract, and it smells like Girl Scout heaven. All right, so the product that I just remembered is the Laneige sleeping mask, and the scent she had before, I believe, was the bubblegum, which I actually despise, and luckily they released a bunch of new scents, and this is the vanilla. It's tried and true vanilla scent. It's pretty standard. Ryan doesn't mind kissing me with it on. He's pretty sensitive to certain scents, so I like this one. I do want to try the mint one because how cool would that be? Mint lip scrub, mint lip mask. But this stuff, I have talked about it in my videos before. It is so hydrating. You wake up, your lips literally feel like a baby's bootay. I don't know what's in this stuff. I don't care, it works. So another product that I've talked about nonstop is the Schmidt's deodorant. This is in rose and vanilla. There are a few other scents like the jasmine one I want to try out. They have a lot of ranges of scents, which is awesome. The last one that I had was lavender, and that smelled really good as well, and I felt like it was very calming for my armpits, which if you've seen in my past videos, I have a serious issue with razor burn. I have not found a razor that actually does not give me razor burn. I have tried everything. And then when you go on top of it with the deodorant, it depends on like what is in the ingredients in here that actually can irritate it even more. And so far, this has lessened the irritation. I can't get rid of that razor burn. It's going nowhere. It's a problem. So Amy loves rose scented stuff, so obviously when I saw that there was a rose scent, I was like, oh yes, I need to go to CVS and try that. It is a little bit pricier of a deodorant because it's all natural. I think it is. You never know. 1 minute it's natural, and then the next there's like some toxic ingredient that was supposed to be natural and then it wasn't. I'm trying my best here, but overall I really do enjoy the Schmidt's deodorant. So whenever I hear anyone talk about butter bronzer in their videos, I automatically think of Amy because she is obsessed with butter bronzers, butter blushes. So this brand is actually called Physicians Formula, but they're really known for their butter bronzers and butter blushes. Casey Holmes actually really loves this as well, but Amy especially loves this. And honestly, the blushes and the bronzers are so good. I don't have a blush with me because I used it up, and I've been trying to go through my makeup and not buy other things, so I don't have one for you. And honestly, like, I would never buy an expensive blush again because drugstore blushes are just as good and way cheaper. I actually have this on right now. I put a little bit on. Hopefully I'm not too overexposed. Can't see myself because my screen is still broken. Hopefully quarantine will be over so we can get this fixed. But if you're liking the bronzer, that's currently what I have on right now, and oh, it smells like summertime. If you want to be put in the mood and you feel like you need to smell coconuts and palm trees and like the breeze hitting your face all in a bronzer, well, this is it for you. The next two products that I have are facial sprays. I believe that she recommended the Trader Joe's Rose Water Facial Toner before in one of her videos. We love Trader Joe's. Like, her and I, we get Trader Joe's. We're on a whole different level with Trader Joe's. And this stuff right here is awesome. It's so much better than the Mario Badescu one. It's not sticky. It's hydrating. It smells like roses, which I love. It's affordable. It's at Trader Joe's, which I'm at all the time, so I can just pick it up. Don't have to go to a different store, and I love this stuff. The next spray that I absolutely love is the Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water, and this product I actually had before I saw that Amy had picked it up, but I did see it in one of her recent videos, and she says she loves it, so I thought I might as well throw it in here. But again, our tastes are so similar, so when I saw this, I was like, ooh, I already nailed it. I got it, girl. While we're at it, let's do a double refreshing spray. Whoa, that was a lot. The combo smells good with the rose and the vitamin nectar. I like it. Am I glowing? I don't know. You tell me, because I can't see. Fan it down, fan it down. I think those can pass as like makeup setting sprays, but honestly, I just use it when I feel like my face needs like a little bit of hydration and dryness. Oh, another thing that Amy does is this in her videos a lot, and I actually find it very soothing. It might be annoying to people, but to me, I'm like, oh, she's playing with her hair. I want to play with my hair too. So the last beauty product that I have is the Pure Clay Mask by L'Oreal. She loves this. I think it's really cool because when you apply it onto your face, it is really black, and then it dries up to be this gray color, and you can see all of your blackheads and all of your pores, and it is extremely satisfying because one of the things I love most in life is to see blackheads come out onto a strip or just be shown through a mask. I don't know why. It's gross, but I love it, and this mask does the trick. I used it in one of my spa videos a really long time ago, and it really works. It does smell a little perfumey. That's the only problem that I have with this, and I don't think the ingredients are super clean, and I'm trying to switch over to as clean as possible with my beauty products as best as I can, and I'm just gonna use this up until I have it. I might as well just use it up. If you're not like super into the all natural stuff, I do recommend this mask. The next two products are cleaning products because she loves to do cleaning videos, lifestyle videos. Obviously her channel is a lifestyle channel, and that's why I created mine to be a lifestyle channel, because I just feel like there's so much to offer when it comes to having that kind of genre of a channel. I absolutely love Mrs. Meyer's now because of her. She introduced me to that brand, and I'm telling you, it's amazing. It's supposed to be natural. It smells really good. They come out with seasonal scents. This was a seasonal scent for Christmas, but I stock up on it so year round I can have it, because the peppermint scent is pretty standard for a year-round scent in my opinion. So I love it. It gets the job done. So thank you so much for introducing me to this brand, because I get a lot of products from her now. Her, like, she's a person, from the Mrs. Meyer's brand. Another cleaner that I use is the Method Wood for Good. If you've seen my cleaning videos, you know that I use this a lot on some of my wood tables. It really gets up all the dust and the dirt. It smells like almond, which I really like. It's not the cleanest cleaning product, but it's a lot cleaner than the other stuff that I had been using in the past. I have a table that is unfinished, and it doesn't stain that table, which I was nervous about, so I would definitely recommend this. So Amy loves essential oils like myself. You know, I diffuse my oils a lot, I burn candles, and I try to switch over to diffusing more because candles aren't the best, but I'm the candle queen. I can't help myself. I just love my candle, so I try to balance it out. Amy actually loves Young Living like I do and has more of the business side on her side. She just loves it and they genuinely are great products, but she dips her toe into the business portion, which I don't. But you should definitely go check out her Essentially Amy Instagram if you're into essential oils, because she's very knowledgeable and I find a lot of great different ways to use oils because of her channel. Two of her most favorite essential oils are Stress Away and Citrus Fresh. So when I signed up for Young Living, I obviously had to check out what she was raving about, and I do really like these two oils. Stress Away smells like you're on a vacation. Lime oil in it, cedar wood bark oil, leaf oil, lavandula, I guess that's lavender. Oh gosh, just spilled it. This has citrus oils in it, lavender, bark oil, I don't know. Whatever's in here just smells like you're on a tropical vacay and I'm here for it. I absolutely love the Citrus Fresh for the mornings because it just smells like oranges and lemons and it just wakes you up and makes you feel energized and ready to take on the day. And last, certainly not least, because like I said, I am the candle queen, so I might as well end on one of my favorite things in life is candles. And when Amy told me about the Vampire's Blood candle, you know I love Halloween, and it was hard to find like a Halloween scent, and I know this isn't a true Halloween scent because it's just not. It smells like something you could probably burn year round, but since I associated it with Halloween, to me this is a Halloween candle, and Bath & Body Works promotes it as a Halloween candle. She loves it. She doesn't burn candles that often anymore, but when she does, I believe it's the Vampire's Blood, the Spiced Pumpkin, and then the Christmas, oh, I'm forgetting what it is. So Vampire's Blood, I think it's called Christmas Eve now that I think about it. I think it's Christmas Eve. The notes of Vampire's Blood are blood red strawberry, midnight blooming jasmine, dark Transylvanian plum, and it just makes me happy. Every time I smell it, I'm like, when's Halloween coming? I'm ready for it. I'm ready for the fall. I'm ready for the spooky movies. And I thought I would just end it on this note. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos of, you know, things that influencers have influenced me to buy, I think it's fun because it shows you the things that I absolutely really love and have become staples into my household, and it might make you want to buy it as well. I might be influencing you. I hope so. Please don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. It really truly does. Every time anyone hits that subscribe button, my heart flutters a little bit. I get excited and I'm so grateful every time you guys comment. Thanks for keeping up. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. How? Why is my hand totally breaking out? Not the time. We are in quarantine. I'm known for the butter blonde. Eek. Don't look at me while I film. Don't look at me while I film, babe. It's intimidating.
Let's watch, story.
No, let's not watch. Or you can go take a little walk with the dog. Zone out.
I'm playing a game and watching something, so.
Okay, well,
do
that.
Your headphones in.
Mind
game,
yourself.
Left ear is game, right ear is.
You know, you can't be present if you're multitasking.
You can't be what?
Present.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
I can play a game and watch.
It's actually impossible.
No, it's not.
Okay, bye.